How to delete group chat on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to teach you on how you can remove or delete the group chat that you created on TikTok. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch the TikTok application. Once you do that, log into your account and also make sure that your TikTok application is up to date. After this, go to the inbox from the bottom right corner of the screen, that is between the plus icon and the profile. Now tap on the group that you created on TikTok. Once you're here, tap on the name of the group in the top of the screen or the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. There you will see the option of group management, that is between pin to top and report. Tap on it. This will take you to another page where you can see the option of end group chat, which is highlighted in red color. And there is also the option of transfer ownership. Just vote that. So if you transfer this ownership to another member, you can go ahead and leave this group and you will no longer be the part of the group. But if you want to specifically delete this group chat and remove all the people, the chat, photos, videos in it, go ahead and tap on end group chat and this will permanently remove everyone, including you, from this group. Tap on confirm to do it and you'll be done. You can see that the group chat has been disappeared from my inbox. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.